So what you do, you pop it. You can either pop it through the front or the back.
Okay.
So it's a long spring. So bend it in half.
Okay.
Put the thread into it. Release the spring, and that holds the thread.
Okay.
You just pull it through, and then it comes through this side.
Okay.
So again, you can either go through the back. That comes out there.
We do this procedure for the each thread.
No. So what I'll do, once I've set it up, I'll show you what we would do. So for example, while it's being recorded. So let's say you've got blue on needle number 1. It says number 1 here.
Okay. This is the main question.
Yep.
These are the needle 1, needle 6, 11, whatever. How it works, like 1, 5.
So 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4,
5.
5. So let's say if you need to change number 1,
Okay.
you've got blue.
Okay.
So what you do, you snap it. You need to change it to white. So all you do is put white on and tie it on from this side.
Right.
Then all you do is pull it from there.
Okay.
So obviously if the thread runs out,
Okay.
that's where you need to use this to re-thread it back up.
In a needle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, make a running ones colors or not depend upon the running one. This depend upon your logo.
Depends on the logo.
Like
so what a lot of people do, they have the main 3 colours at the front.
at the front.
Yeah, the only reason that is, it depends obviously, because it's easy to get to. So you haven't got to go around the back. So it's easy, it's just quick to change.
Okay.
But that all depends on, 'cause if you've got plenty of space around the back, which you have, then you'll do it that way.
And how the needles works, like how the needles knows which color he will do. That is, system will tell us the needle 1 take the blue one. Then we put the thread like what the system is showing, the software.
So what I'll do, I'll show you all that.
Okay. Because I'm asking some of the question in advance because I will forget it or any reasons.
So I have got a user guide with me.
Because the video teaches very quick. If you go to the school and study 10 years, you don't get a lot of things like a manual one.
Yes.
Okay. And these are very quick to understand for anyone.
Yeah.
Because I will teach these things to any other guy, and this guy teach to another guy, make it easier.
Yeah, so you don't get lost in translation. It's all video.
Yeah. We have all the videos of our machines. Okay, when we need it, any problem, we will check back, and 100% we will get some of the idea from that video.